So boom TikTok, you feel me? Tonight we got that wing stop, you feel me? That wing stop. You know what I'm saying? Let me show y'all how they first get down, how they first talking back, bro. You feel me? Hold on.
Oh, hey, bro. We finna fry these joint extra hard, bro. Extra lemon pepper, extra everything, bro.
Yeah, give me right.
Review, bro.
Give me right. Oh yeah, let me go ahead, open it.
Is this well done enough? Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like how them look. So I'm gonna open that junk, open that junk. You know what I'm saying? I had to take a little ride home, but it's good. Oh, okay. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Okay, that's how we doing it. Alright. Then they gave me 3 wrenches, fool. What's the world, fool? They gave me 3. You know what I'm saying, bro? Got that Dope and Hope merch on, you feel me? Dope and Hope merch, you feel me? The eyes, hold on.